nakita karon diri sa kuan sa usa ka apartment, tapat lang ni sa apartment then mo ni siya ang studio slash stock room sa OBC. So dili ko nag-set up sa nag-backdrop why are ko product shots tanan. Then if na mo walk in, mga walk in ra pud sila diri. Pero sa karon need na ako siya i-let go. Naigamay ng mga changes. Muna, mabalhin mi balik dito. Ako rin siya puwian ng apartment. So muna, nag-set up ko dito karon sa akong workspace. Ako siya itaw dito tanan. Dito ra. And don't worry, order gapon. Dito lang mo sa mga website. Ako yung punta ng link sa ubos sa description. So if ganahan mo order, Odyssey, Papa is going to buy something.
For you?
So, magpalit day ko o kanang tablecloth para sa computer table na ako. Onya, magpalit po ta o silhig.
Silhig?
Silhig.
Silhig?
Oh, burgers. Ba naman ito silhig. Palit po si Papa og tanganan sa labunon.
Labunon? Bye-bye, Ma!
But the question is, kinsa man ang mother ni Mamil? Do you know?
Yeah.
It's Nanay. Nanay Esther. Do you remember Nanay Esther?
Yeah.
Yeah, ang mother ni Pamela.
Mother ni Mamila?
Yes.
Hi.
What's your question, Molo John?
I don't know my question, Dad.
What's the Filipino of I love you too?
I don't know. What mahal? Is that recording me? I cannot say something. Recording? Why are you recording?
Wala. So that you can see this
Oh no.
when you get big.
I'm still a girl. Only boys.
You're a little girl.
You are.
So, na kami diri karon sa Riverside and we're going to find a big one to mo tabi. Ngita og tablecloth para sa computer table.
Yay! Excited.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yo, yeah, it's White Tizzy, back again, billing it, however long it takes, man, I'll still be here, you know what I'm saying? Yo, new year, new money, but it's the same old me. Need the yard that don't come cheap before I get 8 gold teeth. They wanna play with sticks and stones, I'm calling them Jamie T. Up chasing coins like Sonic, could trust me, they don't sleep. Play my songs out of whip, she said keep that on repeat. Gotta calculate steps, I gotta take a step back and breathe. Life got busy, I turned 18, moved out, all I had was a dream. Wanna see all of my people free, but I ain't Martin Luther. I just get on the stage and sing. Better be ready for stress that all of that paper bring. ADHD, I can't wait for do my own thing, I hate the script. My man looks like a clone of mine, man, really he ain't got drip. If I pull up, I'm trying to get paid. 10 toes down, I want set pays. Hop in the booth, the beat get laced. I make it look easy, mate. Can't break down and cry, I put in blood, sweat and years. It's only when you face your fears, you watch them all disappear. So, bill it, let man cook, no skillet. Bill it, lick it, roll it up and I lit. Bill it, in it. Hope you're ready if you're with it. Billing, but I ain't finished. 10 years on, I'll be still in it.
Forma na ako, set up diri. So, palit ko cloth na black. Kay aron mo bagay lang siya kay black sa daw table diri. Printers, laminate, laptop. Then, nadri ako mga rack para sa mga shirts. Diya sila na ako pamutang diri. And then, diri ko. So, hopefully, igo na sila tanan diri. Maghatog yung t-shirt karon. May nag-order na akong shirt. Katulo na rin siya ni order na ako. Then, nang-order karon is itong Krispy Kreme nga design, 2XL. And ato ni hatod karon. Bani ko ninyo. Boss. Thank you.
Thank you kayo.
Thank you.
I'll just repeat your order, sir. 1 iced Americano, sir, 60 grams. O duha kas pares latte, sir. Same price lang, sir.
Okay namin. Shout out this but first coffee. Lamig kayo. Nila Americano iced. Ipakita ninyo collection ako sa paintings from different artists. So this is from Ulap. Painting niya. Si Ulap. Ka Elna. Pipigyan siya mga painting. Suja kahit dimension. Yan. The Fool. Anika Roy. 726. Artist. This is from Sir Ferdinand. Kuha na siya. Kanibot. Ang tigiyan niya guys. Kuha na. Yung iniyan. Hindi mga matawa. Kailangan kasi magpapot siya. Kapit na ko mga man. Kasaka na ako mga shirts. Muna na ako set up karon. Pakit na ito. Kani. Soft box diya para if maghimo og content dire nara ko light, just the key light, then ako PC dire, then dire bakante lang ni para if na ako yung mga himon nga content dire na ako siya himon mga books, then na dire ako mga shirts. So mga shirts, stocks na ako, shirts.
Then ako nga painting. O pa okay ba kasi ako butang plano ko diri siguro kaya na ako i-wall diri nga bakanti kaya ako. Pero tanaw na ako if kano sanin ako sila matrabaho, mabitay, kailangan po mag-drill diri. So muna ako set up karon. So this is my current setup.